Unraveling, take on a character, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations about movies, theater, and storytelling. Take on a character. If you've ever wondered what this means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's break down this expression together. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, take on a character. At its core, this expression is used to describe the act of adopting the persona or identity of someone else, typically in a performance setting. This could mean an actor in a play, a storyteller assuming the voice of a character, or even someone at a costume party deciding to fully embody the character they're dressed as. The phrase can be broken down into two parts. Take on suggests assuming responsibilities or roles. A character refers to a fictional persona from a story, play, movie, or any narrative medium. To truly grasp the meaning of take on a character, let's look at some examples. In acting, for his latest role, the actor had to take on a character who was vastly different from his own personality, learning how to walk, talk, and even think like him. In daily life, at the Halloween party, she decided to take on the character of Wonder Woman, not just dressing like her but also mimicking her confident posture and voice. In storytelling, when reading stories to her children, she loves to take on different characters, changing her voice for each one to bring the story to life. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about appreciating the art of storytelling and performance. Recognizing the effort and skill it takes to take on a character helps us appreciate the work of actors, writers, and creatives who bring stories to life. Moreover, it's a fun way to discuss stories and performances, analyzing how effectively someone can transform into someone entirely different. And there you have it, folks. Next time you watch a movie, attend a play, or even listen to a friend recount a tale in a dramatically different voice, you'll know exactly what it means to take on a character. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also your appreciation for the creative arts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep exploring the depth and beauty of the English language.